Ready to supercharge your Google Tag Manager and unlock a new level of data-driven awesomeness. First things first, let's understand the why adding dynamic values lets you capture tons of useful info from your site in GTM. Think user details, product specifics, anything that changes in real time. This opens the door for way more advanced tracking. Step 1. We need to set up the variables. They are the backbone of our dynamic tracking in the Tag Manager interface. Navigate to the Variables section here. You can define where GTM should grab the dynamic information. Step 2. Let's create a data layer variable, one of the most frequently used for dynamic values. Choose variable type data layer variable, then give it a name to clearly represent the dynamic value that will be captured. You can enter the data layer variable name that matches the information available on your site. This could be as simple as productum. Step 3. Great. Now, let's set up a trigger that will tell GTM when to fire the tag containing the dynamic data. Set up a new trigger like page view on all pages so that you capture the information during the page load process. Step 4. The magic begins with the tags. Create a new tag, linking it to the trigger you created in Step 3. In the tag configuration, you'll want to specify what kind of tag you are configuring. Add parameters, such as user attributes, user interactions, or product details. Choose fields appropriate for the tag. This might involve using the dynamic variables created in Step 2 by, for example, putting the variable productum in the product name field of an event. Step 5. Time to test. Use Google Tag Manager's preview mode. Navigate the page and check to see that your variables and tags are firing as designed. Verify that the dynamic values, like product names or user IDs, are pulled into your tags correctly. After everything works, submit your changes. You're all done. Now you can be more data-driven than ever.